For our project, we decided to make a panini called the Italiano. The ingredients include a cup of water, a tablespoon of soft margarine or butter, half a tablespoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoons of non-fat milk powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 cups of high gluten bread flour, 3/4 a tablespoon of fast action yeast, a tablespoon of olive oil, provolone cheese, deli ham, Genoa salami, pepperoni, and capicola. Here's a picture of our bread maker, which we use to make our homemade bread. Bread maker is usually better than a store-bought bread because it's A, cheaper, and B, you know what you put in it, so it's usually healthier. This here's a picture of a loaf of bread once you finish making it, and be careful because you have to let it cool for about 20 minutes before you can slice it up and use for your panini.
To make our Italian, we're starting off with a slice of ham on each piece of bread,
Then we're following it up with pieces of provolone on each side,
and then pepperoni.
going 6 slices of pepperoni per side. They're very small slices, so.
And then we're doing 2 pieces of salami
Yep.
per side,
And
4 total.
top it off, we got 2 pieces of capicola on each side. Fold it together. There's the beginning of your panini. Stop it.
Next thing we're doing is putting on olive oil, which is a monounsaturated fat, which is much healthier than a saturated fat. And you want to brush it on the sides and then flip it over and brush it on the other side.
Canola oil is a healthy alternative to Pam as it is sodium and cholesterol free. So now we're going to put the sandwich in the panini maker for 1.5 to 2 minutes or until the bread starts to crisp. After a minute or two, your panini is ready to be eaten.
After you're done cooking, your panini should look something like this. But there's a lot of variety you can do with Italians. You can have peppers, herbs, oils, vinegars, and dressings of your choosing.
Although our panini and Subway's 12-inch spicy Italian sub are about the same size, our panini is much healthier for you as it has less fat and more carbs. Also, Subway Spicy Italian has trans fat, which is very bad for you. Not only is Subway Spicy Italian less healthy for you than our panini, it also costs about $6, which is over 3 times as much as our panini. Purchasing your own cold cuts at the deli can save you a lot of money, as you can buy about a pound of cold cuts for about $5, and with that pound you can make 6 to 8 paninis with it. Taking into account how much of each meat we used and the price of each meat at the deli, we were able to come to an estimated price of about $1.89 for 1 panini, which means you can get over 3 paninis for the price of 1 Subway sub.